talk about how can you disable global challenge notifications on your Samsung Health app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on my page down here. So when you click here on my page, it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for us a list like this. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take us to this list here and you click on notifications. Then it's going to take us here in this list. You go down, you come here to global challenge. You just click in this sign here or this color. Then like you see color here, it's gone. That's mean global challenge notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.